Hey and welcome to Alpha on Crypto. So I will in this video go through a few of the altcoins I like to trade myself, short-term trading, so you can make some profit in this market. And just, well, I understand many like to hold their favorite coin till the moon boys tell you to sell, but you also have the option to buy, sell, and take advantage on these dips that we have a few times in this bull market. Because yes, in a bull market you will have a few dips. Like now, for example, when Bitcoin did go down a few percent, well, what happened? The rest of the altcoins, they typically go 2-3 times more, up to like 10 times more than what Bitcoin does. So it's normal. So let's go through some of the coins. So one of the favorite coins I like to trade is Solana. We can see now we have a quite good dip here now from the top of the bullish band up here, and we see now we are we touched this Fibonacci level down here and a good level of take profit. We see that we were low in the RSI, we recently crossed it here now, so I think the level up here, that could be a nice trade. And yes, take a 3x leverage trade. It's very safe. You can use the first broker that you find below the video. Works worldwide. And if you're into some robot trading, this broker have the best robots on the market for grid trading and for IA trading that go into many coins trade, and you can even copy other people. It's amazing, this broker. But if you want to take the trades I'm taking, well, first link below, works worldwide. So yeah, I take the Fibonacci level here. So I will say short term, $239. This could be a good lucrative trade. So 3-4 leverage, and you can safely take that trade. So that's one trade I've not taken. So that's for Solana. Let's check XRP. XRP have not moved that much down. It's a coin that is more stable in that matter. But here also, I think here we can go for a 0.618 level of the Fibonacci level. So around 143. That will be a nice target. So here also you can make a few $100 if you just put like $1,000 with a 3-4x. It's nice to take a trade here, and you can safely take that trade also. So another good trade. Let's take a look at Super. This is a little more risky. It's a little smaller cap coin, but still big enough. I did personally take a trade exactly down here. I will put my target on where you see this yellow line, but I will close some of my position probably around the Fibonacci level. Let's remove this line here so you stop confusement. Let me see here. No, this line. So I will close maybe something on my Fibonacci level 0.38, so around 126. I'll close a little more at the level 50. So around 128, and the rest I close at 130. So as they take it so far down, this is a beautiful trade. And you see now he's very close to be crossing here now. You see we did break out of this trend line down here. It's normal we come down and retest before we go up. Yes, he will need to break this red line here. It's a strong resistant point now. So if you can break this, that will be a good point. But do you see already 1, 2, 3 times? The 4th time is the charm. He will break above it, because this point gets weaker and weaker for each time we hit against it. So that is Superverse. That is a good coin to trade. I traded this one a lot. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So we can see things looks basically the same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin have crossed it about here now, and if you can get some momentum, we see that I think here, short term, if we can get up to $95, that will be nice. If we can break the 96 level, then we will retest the all-time high, I guess. So the level you need to look for, if we break 96, go with a long, then the target will be in that all-time high. And for the short term, I think the 50 level will be quite nice to take a profit. So that's a few of the coins that we're going to go through in this video. I'll make more videos just like this if you're into that. And if you see this video fast, you can take these trades, or I'm thinking about making a group also for signals like this. So if you're into that, make sure you sign up for that when I present a link for something like that. But for now, at least, make sure you sign with the broker that I'm using. I probably, if it's possible, I will check. I will make so you can maybe copy my trades that I do with this broker. I am not so into this part yet, but if it's possible, I will give a link so you can copy my trades also automatically, so you don't need to do nothing. So if you're into that, make a comment below the video, and you are a legend if you're seeing so far. So make a comment below the video, you say that you're a legend and that you want to copy my trades, and if enough people say that, I will make so that is possible. So other than that, of course, like the video, and I see you on the next.